there, traveler. I am Merek, last keeper of the hollow key of fate. Shadows gather, and the doom-pocalypse of all worlds is nigh. Only the chosen one of prophecy can halt its silent march, and...
Sure, yeah. But what's up with Blue Hat guy over there?
Oh, he's just some rando. He's totes nobody.
You're awfully insistent about this guy being unimportant.
What are you talking about? This is a completely normal amount of insistence.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go talk to Blue Hat guy, see what's really going on here.
What do you mean you... What? Fine. But don't forget about Merek.
Oi, what's your name?
Blucius. I'm Blucius. Blucius Hatley. Just some guy.
Clearly a fake name.
There's something he doesn't want us to know.
What? No! He's just a normal, unsuspicious guy, you dummies!
Suspiciously normal. We'd better interrogate him.
Damn right. But do we do it the easy way or the hard way?
I say the easy way. You know, just pummel him until some answers fall out.
What? No, that's the hard way. The easy...
Ow! Leave me alone, you lunatic!
Don't let him get away.
After him!
Whoa, no, don't chase him! Too much running is bad for your sweet little knees, you know.
I will chase this man until my knees are dust if I have to.
No.
I'm a talking I'm gonna ruin your whole trip.
I'm just going somewhere normal, to do normal things. Stop following me!
What?
Oh, I guess he's just some weirdo who likes running in circles. Better leave him alone and get back to the quest.
No way. We need answers. Catch him.
What the bloody hell's going on? Why'd you run away?
I was jogging. Yep, just taking my daily constitutional.
In the middle of monster-infested territory.
Yeah, girl. Just all about that cardio life and shiz. Got to keep this body banging, you know?
What again?
I mean, barely, crap. Leave me alone!
Don't run! You just die tired! And more importantly, I'll be tired when I'm killing you!
We've got him cornered.
He'll pay for whatever bad thing he probably did.
Oh, look at that! All your attacks missed.
Whoa. This guy's armor class must be insane.
We gotta find some way to keep damage.
I am super invested in killing this guy for whatever he probably did, is doing, or will do.
That's enough to wilt grass!
All of your attacks fall short. Hint, hint.
Fall short. That's it. Our attacks may not work, but he should be vulnerable to fall damage. Let's throw him off a cliff.
Or, hear me out, what if something else falls on him? Yeah? You see what I'm getting at there?
What, like jump on him?
No, I mean, do you not... Am I the only one who sees the big heavyweight hanging right over him? This is a classic piano on a rope that he vanished. Maybe he's invisible.
No, he's not. But I guess he got away forever. Oh no.
He must know Blinkaport.
You even listening to me?
No. What do we do?
Will you just forget about him? Look, Bados. Oh no.
An ambush. Oh, he's good.
He's got minions? This must be bigger than we thought. Is that it? Is it over?
Yep, sure is.
No, it's not.
Why? Oh, why?
Those minions had to come from somewhere nearby. There must be a lair hidden around here.
You know what? Yes, fine. You may investigate the area for a door. Oh, wow, look at that. What do you know? You see a door. It's a really evil-looking door. Maybe it's the blue hat guys.
It's the blue hat guy's lair.
It must be. Good thinking, Fret. Now let's go track this blue hat bastard down once and for all!
You were short work.
So what do you think this guy's deal is? I'm getting a leader of a secret...
Ha! You're too late, adventurers. I, Lucifer, the evil warrior spy of the secret cult of Blue Hats, have already gathered the 3 fabled Sapphires of Suffering. Soon, the Cobalt King will arrive through the gate and bring about Armageddon.
Disguised evil warrior! I knew it!
Did you completely miss the secret cultist spy part?
No way! Both your suspicions were totally right. So crazy. How did you know? Wow, you guys are so smart. Go save the world! Hurry up!
Oh, right.
On it.
Chew on this!
Ha! Nice try, bad adventurers. But even 2 Sapphires will still work. You're doomed. Give up. So long as 1 Sapphire remains, the gate will stay open. Oh. How did you destroy all 3 Sapphires? Years of planning and working from the shadows ruined. You ruined everything.
The plan, Circus!
Whoa, this thing is in the bag finder. That's so cool.
Cool! Yeah! Oh, yeah. No biggie. Tina came up with it all by herself, because you know how she does. And, it's just me being the fun and imaginative that I always, am. So, you're welcome.